Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how to download offline maps in Google Maps. First of all, tap on your maps. After your app is loaded, tap on your profile. Now scroll down a bit. Here you'll find an option called offline maps. Just tap on it. After you tap on offline maps, here you'll find select your own map option. Just tap on it. Now select the area of which you want to download the maps. After you select your area by either zooming in or zooming out, tap on download. After you tap on download, your map will be downloaded, and as you can see here, the map Gogurneshwar has been downloaded. Now you can simply go back and turn your Wi-Fi off, and even if your Wi-Fi is off, now you'll be able to use the map. So tap on your maps. Now you can check your offline maps. Go to offline maps and tap on Gogurneshwar. Now you can scroll down and tap on any areas and tap on direction, and now you'll be able to use the map even if your Wi-Fi or cellular data is off. And this is exactly how you do it. If you enjoyed the video till now, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.